definitely catching a cold. Ew! Oh, excuse me. I have to sneeze. Ew! Oh, man. Luckily, it seems to be mostly in my nose. Ew! Oh, wow, excuse me. Yeah, no coughing or sore throat or anything so far. Just these little bouts of tickly sneezes. Ew! Oh, excuse me. It's like I get sort of a 3 or 4 second pause before it tickles again. They're not like allergies to a bit more teasing. Teasing, but wow, they feel good. Oh man. I think there's one more. Oh, see. Oh, bless me. Well, if this just stays in my nose like this, I think, I think it'll be kind of a nice couple days. Oh, excuse me.